Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to do a cell programming. So in this video we are gonna make at least 5 cell program. So first program will be simply that to find the greatest of 3 number, and then the second program will be define the grade for a given marks, and third will be get internal and external mark from the user and check pass or fail. And after that we have to find develop the arithmetic calculator and then check whether the enter character is vowel or constant. So here we go. So first program, like suppose if you want to see the calculator program, so if you go here and type vi calculator, I already made it, and yeah, this is it. So echo enter the first number. So echo enter the first number will be like it will be printing enter the first number on the screen, and read n1 will be taking the input. Similarly, the same case with enter the second number, and read n2 will read the number. And after that we'll be giving option to user to select the required operation. For we have addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So read ch, so it will read the choice, and after that we will be using switch case. So from here to here we are having switch case. Then after that case $ch in, so if user select plus, then it will go to this loop and it will add two number, and then it will print the result. Okay, and after that what the subtract, so it will go here, it will subtract the both number and print the result. Same with a dollar n1 by n2 bc, it will divide the number. And for multiplication, what we have to do, we have to use the forward slash and then start for multiplication, and after that we will be giving a sec. So after, if you do like this, and after that if you go out and if you compile the program with sh, then the name of the program calculator.sh, and if you type here enter the first number, if I enter the first number 23 and second number 24, then suppose I select addition, then the result will be 47. So this is all about the first program. And after that, in the second program, what we have to do, in the second program we have to write a cell script to find the greatest of 3 number. So for finding the greatest of 3 number, what you have to do, if you go here, if we can see that we have comparison. So if we go vi comparison dot sh comparison dot sh, so it will be first taking read n1, first number it will be taking, and then second number it will be taking, and read n3 third number. After that we will be seeing, okay, if n1 greater than n2 and n1 greater than n3, then echo n1 is greater. So if n1 is greater than n2, n1 is greater than n3, it means n1 is greater. Similarly, if we use n2 greater than n1 and n2 greater than n3, then n2 is greater, else n3 is greater, and then after that we will be writing fi. So if you go and out and compile the program as such, and so it will asking for 3 numbers. So if you give 2, then 5, then 8, so it will printing 8 is greater. Okay, and in the next program, what we have to do, in the next program we have to go for grade calculation, for calculating the grade. So for calculating the grade we are going. Okay, so if we go vi grade calculation dot sh, so if you go here echo, so it will bring printing welcome to the grade calculator, and after that it will be printing enter the marks of first subject, and after that internal marks. So it will be taking the marks of the first subject, internal marks. So it will be stored as variable si1, and then simply will be printing external marks, so it will be stored as sc1. And after that sc1 it will be a new variable which will be storing echo sc1. sc1 will be going echo sc1 into 0.4 or 5 operator bc. So it will be taking the 40% of the external marks, and after that it will be your total marks for subject will be echo si1 plus sc1, so internal marks plus 40% marks of the internal, and it will be printing. So let's see how it's works. If you go out and if you type sh, then grade calculation dot sh, it will be asking for internal marks 34 and external marks 67. It will be giving 60.8 is your total marks per subject. And the next program, what we have to do, we have to find whether the student is pass or fail. So if you go vi pass or fail, we are using the vi editor. Then enter your total internal marks. Then read im will be stored your internal marks, and read em will be storing your external marks, and echo enter your external marks displaying in the screen. N3 we are taking echo em 40% of the external we are taking, and N4 echo im plus N3 means we are adding the external marks and internal marks. So we will be getting some total marks. So if total marks, so we are getting total marks as MA $N4 something like that, and after if we check MA is greater than 45. So if a student scored total marks greater than 45, then it's pass. He is pass, or else he will be fail. If you go out and if you just compile the program, so for compiling we will be using sh and then pass or fail and then sh. So enter your internal marks, like I enter internal marks like 34. So 34 will be entering, and 42 will be entering, so you will get 60.2 is pass. So after that we have the last program. So the last program, what it will do, it will be checking whether it's a given character is a vowel or not. So vi then vowel dot sh. If you go here, it's a simple program. Just it will be, first we will be going enter a character, and after that read c. So read c will store your character here, and after the if $C equal to, we will be using a special method for identifying it's a vowel or not. So in array we will be passing a e i u in caps, and after that in small a e i u. So if anything from this array will come, it will consider it as vowel, else it will be considered as constant. So if you go out and just compile the program and try to run the program, you will get an output. So enter a character. So if I enter a, so it will say it is a vowel. And similarly, if you want to check for constant, if you enter r, it will say it is a constant. So this is all about today's video, and thanks for watching.